to add a section on Wix. So right here on your Wix editor, you can just choose where you want to put the new section. For example, I want to put it under this section. And then to do it, you can just click right here on add section, and then there will be a new section. Or if you cannot find this one, you can just go to the left side of your screen and then click on add section. And right here on add section, you can choose to add a blank section like we do before, or you can also generate section right here by AI, or you can just choose any of the section that you might need. For example, I want to add section about a contact. You can just click on it on the contact and then choose any of the template that Wix provide. Or if you, for example, want to add a section of the promotion, you can just click on it and then click any of the template and just click on it, and it will automatically add to your editor right here. And after that, you can also customize your new section by click on it, and then you can choose to move the section either up or down. For example, I want to move it up, and then right here my new section is under my header, and you can just move it down by clicking this one and so on. And you can also customize it by clicking again on the section or on the strip. For example, there is two column right here, this blue one and the white one. And if I want to add another column on this section, you can just click on the manage column and then click on add column. And there you go, there will be the third one. You can customize as you like. Right here on the stretch, you want to click on it and then choose the stretch strip of the section to fit on the page, not on the screen like before. And then after that, don't forget to click on publish to make sure your change can be seen by everyone. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.